married women, your hospitality starts with your husband. Your accommodating nature starts with the person you are married to. There are women who can say yes sir, yes sir, yes sir to everybody in the world, but not to their husband. Say, my husband. Why should I say sir to my husband? He's not my husband. So my question is, if you will not acknowledge your husband with respect, who on earth are you going to acknowledge with respect? He's your number one superior officer. People are very polite to their medical doctor, to their lawyer, to their banker, to their pastor, to their, what else is very important to people? And they are very polite to them. It doesn't even matter the age difference. They do them, yes sir, yes sir. They courtesy to acknowledge them and to greet them. But they are not ready to be so with their husbands. I've always said this, and I'll keep saying it, and I'll keep on ingraining it. When we first got married, working as a medical doctor, I was used to the fact that the medical doctor more or less is the head of the medical team. And when you are in the hospital setting, you are there. You know, imagine you are on call and at the accident and emergency, the emergency unit. And, you know, you are rushing to save the life of somebody. And you are calling, nurse, bring this. You bring that. Can I call the lab? Call the lab. They should come and take the blood. Grouping and cross-matching. Quickly, get ready. Get blood set. And you are shouting and commanding everybody. Jack, bring this fig. This one, do that. Elevate the legs. Set up monitor. Get the x-ray ready. Let's get the skull x-ray done. Yeah, all over the place. If you come back home, and like I say, you don't put a step-down transformer in front of your husband's name. The tendency is as you finish cooking the food and you put it on the table, say, Jack, come and take your food and eat. Because you've been talking at that frequency. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Can you imagine calling your husband like that and say, Jack, come and take your food and eat? No. You put a step-down transformer. Dear, honey, darling, daddy, Oga, Baba Risi, and Baba Sikiratu. Whatever. The important thing is not what you put. The important thing is that there is a step-down transformer. It pulls you down. It carries the energy, the high-tension cable energy that you've been operating all day, and it brings it down and steps it down. And then it quietens your voice. And then before it will be hard for you to say, honey, come and take your food. It doesn't work that way. Praise the Lord. Some of these things are literally so, well, it's good to call your husband, your wife, baby. Call your husband, baby. Okay, it's fine. But personally, I don't subscribe to wives calling husbands, baby, because the way I talk to my baby at times when the baby is naughty, if I call you baby, I might talk to you like the baby. How many of you know how you talk to your baby? My friend, grab that thing. You want to break that bottle? It's okay. If baby is your step-down transformer, no challenge. But make sure that there is a step-down transformer that is helping you in your relationship. So your hospitality, your respect, politeness, and all that starts with your husband. And then it translates to every other person in your vicinity.